What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you a crazy free plugin deal where you can score 10 premium plugins completely for free. Let's dive straight into it. So this massive surprise is coming from Cymatics. They're hosting a free live stream on June 6th. During the stream, they're going to break down the exact techniques and workflows that top producers use every single day in the studio. But here's the best part. Every single person who signs up and tunes into the live stream will walk away with 10 amazing plugins for free. On top of that, they just announced they're throwing in their unreleased Nova FX Lite plugin and their brand new MIDI shredder completely free of charge. All you have to do is register for the free live stream and make sure you show up on June 6th. If I had to pick my personal favorites from this bundle, these three are absolute game changers. Pulse. This is a fantastic sidechain VST. It works just like Kickstart 2, giving you that instant sidechain pump and rhythmic bounce to keep your low end clean. Nova FX Lite. This one is incredible for creative sound design. It behaves a lot like Glitch 2, allowing you to twist, mangle, and add crazy texture to your sounds to make them completely unique. MIDI Shredder. This utility is pure magic. It instantly converts audio into MIDI notes in seconds, saving you a ton of time when you want to flip an audio sample into your own custom melody or chord progression. Seriously, do not miss out on this. Hit the link in the description to register right now so you don't forget. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more crazy plugin deals, and I'll see you guys in the next video.